Hello, friends. It's catalog kickoff day. I can't believe it's already here. I just returned from vacation and put this on my calendar, and I'm so excited that we're going to get to talk about all the new things in the catalog. And we're going to start with one of my favorite bundles and 5 of my newest friends. So let me point you down. Make sure you pay attention to all day long today because we have videos all day. My goal is for videos to be at 9, which is now, and 1 and, what did I say? 6. So pay attention today. Now, if you are working today and can't watch all those times, just make sure and join my email list so that you will get all the videos and all of the fun at once. And you can also follow me on YouTube, like, subscribe on YouTube, and then that way you'll have everything. Here is a QR code to get on my email list. You definitely don't want to miss me. That's where all the fun is. Okay. So I love a new catalog. It's just so exciting to me. This is my job. I love to craft with Stampin' Up products, but I absolutely love a new catalog. It's new possibilities, new everything. And what's most exciting about a new catalog is new colors. So our new annual catalog, that's our main catalog. I hope you've received it. If not, just message me. We'll get you one. And it always has some fresh new colors. Stampin' Up studies all of the colors, all the Pantone, all of that stuff, and decides what are the new trending colors. And we have 5 new colors: Summer Splash, Petunia Pop, Pretty in Pink, which you may recognize from the past, Pecan Pie, and Shy Shamrock. They look great together. They look great in combination, like 1 or 2 mixed with other colors. But you're going to get to see a sweet card made with it today. Now, I'm using this bundle, and I'm super excited about it. It's called Attention Shoppers. It is a stamp and die bundle. You get the matching dies that makes the cutest cards, and you'll find it on page 65 of the catalog. Right here, you'll see this cute bundle. Okay, you'll always want to get the bundle. You're going to be sad if you just get the stamps and not the dies. So I actually received a swap in the mail from a friend. I thought I threw it in this box. Oh, I know where I threw it. And it was so cute, so I adapted it a little bit. This was the swap that I received from Melanie Hawken. And I just thought it was so cute, so I adapted it a little bit to show up our new colors. So here we are, our Pretty in Pink, our Summer Splash, our Petunia Pop, Shy Shamrock, and Peach Pie. Did I say pecan pie earlier? I probably did, but it's peach pie. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna make a Summer Splash version. I guess I'm ready for summer. We just got back from sunny Mexico, and I got lots of fun sun. Not too much. I wore my sunscreen. Don't worry. All right, let me set this over here so y'all can see. All right, so we're going to start with the Summer Splash card base. Now, I am adding this fantastic layer of cardstock, and I made it using this So Swirly 3D embossing folder. It's new in the catalog, and you can see that it makes this swirly pattern, and it's humongous, which is great for doing like whole card fronts. And so you'll want to make sure and pick up that embossing folder. It's not a 3D embossing folder, so you don't have to use that thick pad with it. You just use a regular embossing pad. Now, I've already done that for you. I usually just put the adhesive on my card base when I have an embossed layer, and I'm going to put it in a little. So don't go all the way to the edge because what in the world is in there? Oh, it's an embellishment. Because our layer doesn't go all the way to the edge. So we're going to pop that layer onto our card. Now, I've already cut this out with my Stylish Shapes dies. Now, you'll notice this is even more adorable. I don't have this circled in nature yet. It's from the bundle Spotlight on Nature, so you want to get these because they're super cute. But, so we're going to just put that circle down. And I noticed that she made her little circle sparkly, and the way she did that, because I've seen it done before, is you get your Wink of Stella, get it squeezed up really well. So see where it says push, squeeze it up, and then you're going to just tap it. And I can see it. You can't see it yet, but we've got quite a bit of sparkle going on. It's pretty messy, so just make sure whatever's around is covered. But it's just a subtle little layer of extra sparkle that you can love. It's kind of hard to see, but you'll see it. Let me see on any of these cards where it's most prominent. You can see it here on this Shot Shamrock card there. Super cute. All right. So we're going to pop this down with dimensionals. Get them out of my box here. Now, you're going to need about 4 dimensionals on this because it's a pretty big circle. All right, so we're going to pop this down. And I'm going to do it about right here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do my stamping on my little layer. And it's just a 1/2-inch strip. Nothing fancy. Got that. Now we're going to use our Summer Splash with our stamp that says Happy Birthday. It just fits in just the right place. I love it. Happy birthday. All right, so we're going to pop that down right here. Now I'm going to use my white piece of basic white piece of cardstock, and we're going to stamp this little bundle of gifts. I'm sorry, not gifts, flowers from this Attention Shoppers set. There's lots of little elements here that have dies to match, so you could use any of those. And I'm going to grab my 2 Summer Splash. Make sure, yep, light and dark Summer Splash. And then I'm also going to use a light gray granite. You could use any neutral here, but I'm going to use light gray granite just to color this, what would you call it? The wrapper that the flowers are in. Just getting a layer of color. Now, I found it was easier to color around the flowers once I colored the flowers. So, now our blending markers, they come in all the new colors, which is fantastic. And you can buy them as a pair. They're $10, and they come in dark and light. So, you can use them together, or you can use them separately. I'm using them separately here. So, I've got 3 dark, and then I'm going to go 3 light. I think that makes it look a little bit more interesting. So we're getting our little flowers colored. Then we can go back in and color around the flowers with our gray granite more easily because we kind of see where the flowers start and stop. All right. Now, I realized I made my card downstairs. Let me grab my emboss machine, and we are going to cut this sucker out with, hello Carol, good to see you. you're up early this morning with our catalog launch party. We're going to be having videos all day, so make sure and tune back in. Okay, let's get our die out. We're going to cut this out. Now, I like to use, when I'm layering something on, when I'm cutting something out, I like to use my Post-it note tape. All right, so line it up good. And we're going to cut this sweetie out. And if you're watching on Facebook, it's fantastic if you'll share with your friends. We love friends when we're stamping. Stamping is much more fun with others, right? So we cut out this cute little flower arrangement. I think that might be something that you could get, like if you were at Trader Joe's or something. All right, so, oh, that didn't really get stuck, did it? Stick it down again. All right, now we're going to take our flower arrangement and we're going to pop that on with a couple of dimensionals, and voila. Now, I noticed the card that I got, she used this cute twine, but I wanted to kick it up a notch with our new end colors. So let me show you what I did. Now, hopefully it'll work since I'm on camera. You never know. You never know. It will eventually work, but I did this 5 times last night, so hopefully it will replicate for you. What you're going to do is take the edge. Okay, first of all, this is our ribbon. It's in all of the different new end colors. I'm using the Summer Splash. You're going to just grab at the edge and start pulling, okay? And your goal is to get like one of these edges out. And once it does come out, you can grab some of these little fibers. So I've got a few of these fibers, and you can just pull. You don't need many. That's probably plenty there. And we're going to tie a sweet ribbon. So I could use that full ribbon on this card, but it would really overwhelm that sweet little thing of flowers. So I'm just going to make it smaller with some fibers. Now, I used more fibers on my other cards, so this is making this a little bit harder to tie. Let's try that again. That was kind of a crazy ribbon. There we go. You have to grab them all at the same time. Alrighty, so it's just taking that thick ribbon down to a sweet little layer that fits perfectly with our pretty flowers. And then it's so delicate that you're going to want to stick that on with some liquid glue, or the glue dot is even too big for this. You probably don't want to go there. Just a tiny little dot of glue and pop your ribbon on. Now, we have some pretty end colors here, and these little, they're called, and they're on low inventory, so don't wait, end color shimmer gems. And we're going to put 3 of these sweeties right here on our card. They come in all the end colors. Super sweet. Okay, so that's the whole card. You can see the peach pie version, the shy shamrock version, the petunia pop version, and the pretty in pink version. It's so cute. You could mix the colors. You could do whatever you want here. Now, I know you're wondering, how can I get all those end colors? I want them like ASAP. Well, good news, during May, you can get all of the end colors for free when you get a starter kit. So your starter kit is always $125 for $99, no shipping. Great, great deal. But during the month of May 2024, you get the free in-color ink pads. So all 5 of the ink pads. You get a package of the cardstock. So you can see you've got all the colors of cardstock here. You'll get a package of a combination of these colors. And then you'll also get the markers, Stampin' Right markers, which are fabulous. And I noticed this was on low inventory, so don't wait. You're going to get this package of in-color paper, designer paper. And you'll see the patterns here are this cute little circle pattern, another gorgeous pattern. We've got a like botanical pattern and a striped pattern. So each color will have patterns in all of these. And I believe this has 48 sheets in it. So you'll definitely want to take advantage of that ASAP, since these are on low, I don't know, those being on low inventory, I don't know what will happen. Just point your camera here, and this is how you can click to pick out your starter kit. So make your list, just make a big list, and the first $125 of that list will go on your starter kit. You can't go over by a penny. If you have any trouble with it, just message me. I can help. Easy peasy. You definitely want to take advantage of that. Here are 2 more cards made with the Attention Shoppers bundle. This was made by my friend Elizabeth Hart. She's showing us how you can make a little gift card holder here. I think that's adorable. We have another one that features a couple of our in color. See how I told you they look great together, like in pairs? So this is the Summer Splash and the Petunia Pop together. Now, let me tell you about our ordering special today. So you're watching the online catalog kickoff. When you order $35 of things, you get a 15 project PDF for free. When you spend $50, you get a new embellishment plus a PDF. And when you spend $100, you get 20 cards, a new embellishment plus a PDF. All right, thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to pick up this Attention Shoppers bundle with your order. I'll see you again later.